Hey everyone, in today's video we are going to learn how you can easily convert your captions into graphics layer.
तो आओ यार शुरू करते हैं बिना किसी डेडिकेशन के।
So to convert your captions into graphics, you first of all need captions, right? And to create caption, it is very easy in Premiere Pro. You just have to take your clips on your timeline. As you can see, I have already taken my clips on my timeline. Okay, after doing so, head over to text panel. Okay, if you are not able to see text panel here, you just have to go on Windows and you can easily click on text option here so that you will be able to see text panel stacked here. Okay, and after that you have to click on create transcription. It will open a dialog box here, and here you can select your language. Here are some by default languages given here. I am selecting English. After that you have to select speaker labeling. It will mention speaker 1, speaker 2, or whatever name you will provide it. Okay, but I am not selecting any speaker labeling. Okay, and after that you have to select your audio layer. Okay, like layer 1, layer 2 of audios. So I am selecting audio 1. Okay, after that hit on transcribe. It will render your audio data and will create some nice captions for you. Okay, as you can see, captions are created, but here you can change if you find any error in your captions. Okay, after doing so, you just head over to these three dots, click on that and select first one, create captions. Okay, after hitting on that, you will find another dialog box. Okay, you just have to select different options here like format, stream, style, maximum length, and character. I am not exploring all these options here because I am trying to tell you that how you can upgrade your captions into graphics. Okay, I am not telling you how to create captions. It is very easy to do so. You can change these settings as per requirement, and you will get to know how to handle these settings if you do it by your own. Okay, so you can select maximum length in character, that how much characters you want in your subtitles or caption. Okay, how much gap between these captions or frames, whether you want single line caption or double line caption. I'm selecting single line. Okay, after selecting anything you want as per requirement, you just have to go to create captions option. Okay, hit on that and it will create captions for you. Okay, as you can see here, yellow colored layer, this layer is of subtitle. Okay, it's named over here subtitle. After generating captions, now we have to upgrade these captions into graphics. Okay, and for that you have to select all captions, head over to graphics and title option and click on upgrade caption to graphic. Okay, right just after clicking on that option, you will find that your subtitles are automatically converted into graphics, and now you can simply add effects, animations, or whatever you want with your text layer to do. Okay, if you find any difficulty in creating this caption or upgrading caption into graphic, you can easily type in comment box. I will definitely answer your questions. Okay, and please let me know if you liked the video, enjoyed the video.
अब तुम लोग गलती से अगर नए हो तो सब्सक्राइब करो, वो जो लाल वाला बटन है उस पे अपने जीजा जी फेंक के मारो या फूफा जी, मुझे नहीं पता, बस क्लिक हो जाना चाहिए। अब मैं भी जा रहा हूं, बाय।